and I'm riding through the back like, hey, what's that on the beat, bro?
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for having me. Can you tell me what you about? My name is Nazwa. I just graduated. I am energetic and disciplined. I want to work at McDonald's because I like your face and the service.
Why should we hire you? You don't have experience.
I learn very fast. I am hardworking. I am always on time, and I follow these rules.
This job is very busy. How do you handle many customers?
I will stay calm and work fast. I will smile at every customers and listen to their orders carefully so I don't make mistakes.
What if a customer complains about a wrong order?
I will say sorry immediately. I will fix the order quickly to make the customers happy.
What is your best quality?
I am reliable. I like working in meeting and I can work any shift.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, ma'am. What makes a worker successful in this world?
We look for speed and positive attitude. We will also train you.
I am ready for the challenge. Thank you for your time.
Welcome. Now, how do you